This video will show you how to clean and maintain the Smeg Espresso Coffee Machine. To clean the outer surface of the coffee machine, let the appliance cool down first, then clean with a soft damp cloth. The drip tray is equipped with a red float, which sticks out of the cup holder tray when the maximum liquid level is exceeded. Remove the cup holder tray and then remove the drip tray to empty it. Clean and dry thoroughly and then reposition it together with the cup holder tray. Clean the coffee filters regularly under running water. If the holes are blocked, clean them with a pin or a brush. Clean the frothing nozzle immediately after use with a damp cloth. With a cloth over the end, turn the steam lever anti-clockwise to let a little steam out and allow any milk inside to flow out. Check that the steam exit hole is not blocked. If there is any build-up, clean the exit hole using the needle supplied. The dispensing unit must be rinsed after approximately 200 coffees made. Place a container underneath the dispensing unit. Simply dispense around half a litre of water by pressing and holding either of the coffee keys without adding ground coffee or a pod. Once 500 millilitres has been dispensed, press the same button to stop the process. To clean the bean container, firstly make sure the coffee bean container is empty. Press the double grind button to remove any coffee residue from the grinder. Switch the machine off and remove the plug from the socket. Remove the bean container by twisting anti-clockwise to meet the reference arrows and lifting out of its housing. Remove any coffee beans present in the grinder using the cleaning brush supplied. Lift the handle of the upper grinder and turn it anti-clockwise to remove it. Clean the upper grinder and the lower grinder using the brush if necessary. Reposition the grinder into the machine, aligning the arrows and twisting clockwise to secure into place. Clean the coffee bean container using a damp cloth and remount it by matching the arrows and then turn it clockwise to attach. To clean the water tank, remove the lid and lift the tank from the machine. Rinse under running water. Dry the container and remount to the machine. The dispensing unit must be rinsed after approximately 200 coffees made. Begin by inserting the non-pressurised filter for a double coffee into the filter holder. Insert the cleaning disc supplied and the detergent capsule inside the filter. The detergent capsules can be purchased separately online. Attach the filter holder into the dispensing unit and position a container with a capacity of at least 500 millilitres under the filter holder nozzles. Fill the water tank up to the maximum. Hold the single grind button and the double espresso button down for 5 seconds. Press the double espresso button for 5 seconds. Then press again to start the dispensing unit cleaning cycle. The machine will proceed with pulse dispensing to clean the dispensing unit. The process will take around 10 minutes to complete. The double espresso button flashes indicating the procedure is in progress. At the end of the process, all of the buttons will light up with a fixed light. Remove the container and remove the filter holder and check that the detergent has completely dissolved. If there is still some detergent present, repeat the process again. At the end of the cycle, remove the cleaning disc inside. Before dispensing a coffee, attach the filter holder again with the same filter and press the double espresso button to rinse the circuit. To learn how to descale this machine, please click on the video linked in the description. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe.